Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Hi, our today's topic of discussion is collocations in English. So, let's get started. Can you tell, why do we always say a fast food and not a quick food? Yes, it's because of collocation. Collocation is a word or phrase that is often used with another word or phrase in a way that sounds correct to people. Collocations are words that naturally go together. Using a different combination of words breaks the patterns that native speakers are used to hearing them together, making the language sound unnatural or awkward. For example, we will use strong coffee instead of powerful coffee. Although the words strong and powerful have similar meanings, but when they are used with other words, it's better to use them accordingly. So, strong coffee sounds very natural instead of powerful coffee. Let's take another example. What do we generally say? Make friends or create friends? Obviously, we cannot say this because of collocation. Can we say, Grandma loves to tell a story? Or, Grandma loves to say a story? Obviously, the right use will be, tell a story, because native speaker would never use, say a story. So, we can say that, some words fits together and some words don't. Like, powerful engine sounds correct and relevant, so we should not say, strong engine. Similarly, it's a big mistake, not a large mistake. So, big mistake is a perfect collocation and sounds natural. Let's take another example. I want to take a quick shower, not a fast shower. Quick shower has a familiar sound to native speakers because it follows a common pattern in the language. Now, let's identify natural collocations. Selena Gomez published many superhit songs. Selena Gomez released many superhit songs. Which one do you think is more natural? Well, the second collocation, released, is more natural. Because released goes well with the songs, while published is used with the books as it collocates well with the written stuff. Another example is, let's catch a movie. Let's watch a movie. What do you think right collocation is? Obviously, the second one, watch. Generally, both phrases refer to watch a movie, but second one is more natural, informal and common for native speakers. Here are some common collocations in English. Let's take a word, take. Take a shower. Take a chance. Take a seat. Take part. Take a picture. Take a risk. Take your time. Take an exam. Next word is get. Get drunk. Get fired. Get hungry. Get lost. Get married. Get permission. Get pregnant. Get started. Get stuck. Get together. Get upset. Get worried. Now, let's assign you a task. Can you make 10 collocations of each given word? Do. Go. Keep. Have. Pay. Break. At the end, let me tell you the importance of collocations in language. Collocations help in avoiding awkward or unnatural phrasing. Strengthen vocabulary retention and recall. Improve writing style and readability. Aid in understanding native speakers and texts. I hope you better understood the basic concept of collocations. Goodbye until next lecture. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.